Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 7 latest defense updates. Number 1, Armenia seeks anti-drone systems developed by Zen Technologies. Zen Technologies Limited, a prominent provider of military training and anti-drone solutions, has achieved a significant order in the export market valued at approximately 340 crores, approximately $41.5 million US dollar. The company has confirmed that these orders originate from Armenia and involve the procurement of an anti-drone system supplied by an Indian private sector company. Next, India is invited to contribute naval officers to Combined Maritime Forces in Bahrain. In a significant development, the United States has extended an invitation to India to station a naval officer in the Combined Maritime Forces based in Bahrain. This decision follows discussions between Defense Minister Rajnath Singh and U.S. Defense Secretary Lloyd Austin during the recent 2+2 dialogue. Next, PM Modi celebrates Diwali with security forces in Lepcha. Celebrating this festival fervor of Diwali with security forces in Himachal Pradesh, Lepcha village, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that the experience of observing the festival with the forces has been one filled with deep emotions and pride. Next, what PM Modi has to say to army soldiers in Himachal's Lepcha. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Sunday spent his Diwali morning with Indian Army soldiers in Himachal Pradesh, Lepcha, and extended festival greetings to the people in the country. Addressing a gathering of soldiers at Lepcha, PM Modi extended his warm wishes to the security personnel posted at the borders and told them in the last 30 to 35 years, there has not been a single Diwali that I have not celebrated with you. I come and celebrate Diwali every year with our army personnel. It is said that Ayodhya is where Lord Ram is, but for me, Ayodhya is where Indian army personnel are. Next, converting a corporate jet into HALE platform. Tata Advanced Systems Limited, an Indian aerospace and defense company, has embarked on an innovative journey to transform the Grop G180 SPN, a low-wing twin-engine composite corporate jet originally designed and built by German aircraft manufacturer Grop Aerospace. Tata acquired the intellectual property rights for this aircraft and is now considering converting into a state-of-the-art unmanned aerial system. Thank you. Next, seeking robust general service vehicles for armed forces. The Ministry of Defense in India is embarking on a mission to enhance the mobility and logistical capabilities of the Indian Armed Forces. The Ministry is planning to procure approximately 5,000 lorry 5/7.5 ton general service 4x4 vehicles along with 2,500 trucks 2.5 ton general service 4x4 vehicles. These vehicles are designed to serve as versatile and rugged load carriers, facilitating the transportation of official critical equipment and supplies to various operational areas. Next, MiG-29 aircraft with Rampage standoff weapon. The IAF is setting its sight on enhancing the capabilities of its MiG-29 aircraft by integrating a standoff weapon with a range of over 180 kilometers. This significant upgrade is poised to further bolster the IAS operational effectiveness and strategic reach. The project aims to integrate the SOW seamlessly on to the MG29 aircraft within a 12 months timeline following the signing of the control.